Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you today? It's good? I hope everyone stay happy and healthy. Before we start our class now, let's pray to get together. Class leader, Joko, please lead your friend to pray. Okay, thank you, Joko. I hope this prayer will bring our learning today to be useful and enjoyable. My beloved student, I will take your presidency for today. Please check right, left, front, and back side. Did anyone not come today? There's no one? Alhamdulillah, it means our class today is complete. My beloved student, before we start our lesson today, I give you beautiful motivation. I will give you beautiful sentence. The sentence is, if you can dream it, you can do it. We must believe that we are able to make our dream to come true even though we have difficult. We must believe that after difficult, we must find some ease in our life. So, keep spirit for fighting. Okay, it's time for us to move to learning season. I will prepare for our PowerPoint today. You can see my PowerPoint? Yes? Okay, thank you for your confirmation. Okay, before we start our lesson today, I will give you clue. You can see in my PowerPoint, this figure is footballer kicking the ball. When the ball is kicked, there is definite contact between the foot and the ball. At the moment, the force from the foot will act on the ball in very short time. What's the topic today? Anyone know what's the topic today? Yes, you can raise hand. Yes, it's correct. Our lesson today is momentum and impulse. Okay, I will explain to you about our learning objective today. One, we will through literature study and discuss activities students are able to analyze the concept of impulse in every phenomena. Through literature study and discussion activities, students are able to analyze the concept of momentum in everyday phenomena. Through literature study and discussion activities, students are able to analyze the relationship between impulse and change in a momentum. Through literature study and discussion activities, students are able to solve day-to-day problems related to impulse concept. And through literature study and discussion activity, students are able to solve day-to-day problems related to momentum concept. And through literature study and discussion activity, students are able to present the results of group discussion. Okay? Are you ready to listen today? Yes. Okay. I like your spirit. Okay. You can see in my screen, this is a hammer. Why is the hammer made of iron? Anyone know? Okay. The goal is that the contact time interval becomes shorter so that the resulting impulse force is greater. If the impulse force is large, then the nail will be embedded deeper. Okay, we move to today's materials. Impulse is defined as a force acting on an object in a very short time. You know, it's very short time. Impulse is the product of the force F and the time interval for the force to activity, which is expressed in the following equation. Okay, you can see is kicking ball. Impulse is the force required to make an object move. Move. An object move. Of course, there is a certain time interval there, usually in a short time, for example, when kicking a ball. Okay. Impulse and momentum are included in vector quantities, so they will have both magnitude and direction. Momentum has the same direction as its velocity. The direction of the impulse is in the same direction as the impulsive force. Okay, we move to what's momentum formula. From the description of momentum or what is symbolized by P above, you know that momentum is affected by mass, m, and speed, v, with each unit respectively, namely kilogram and meter per second. Mathematically, here is the momentum formula. Okay, the momentum formula is P equals M times P. For your information, P is for momentum and M for mass, P for speed. Okay, we can move to impulse formula. Do you know impulse is denoted by the letter I and its unit is NS? The following is the impulse formula. I equals F times delta T. For information, delta T is change in time. This time is second, and F is impulse force, and I is impulse. Okay, let's move to the worksheet. Do you see my share screen? Yes? Okay. Okay, let's move to the student worksheet. You can see my screen. I will divide the groups. One group each have 4 until 5 members. Please see the step I will explain before you do your worksheet. Okay, this basic competency is applying the concept of momentum and impulse as well as the law conservation moment in every life. Okay, what the tools and material, we need a one piece of iron hammer, two wooden blocks, one plastic bottle, three nail measuring this 5 centimeter, and one pie stoppage. Okay, we must what the work tip? Why we can have two work sheet? One step is take a nail and iron hammer. Try to drive in nails with the help of iron hammer. Calculate the time it takes for the nail to sink about 3 centimeter. Repeat the same thing by replacing the iron hammer with a wooden block and plastic bottle and record the result of observation in the observation table and make a conclusion from the result of the experiment carried out. Okay, student, you can see this is observation result table. You can fulfill age and time required. And in here, you can see any problems. One, is there a relationship between the type of material used, the contact time hammer with a hammer based on the experiment you guys did? And number two, what is the relation between the use of the type of bedding materials and the style used product by the hammer to the hammer? Explain. And is the magnitude of the force generated for each iron hammer better, wooden blocks, and plastic bottle? And please explain too. And number four, the last number, what can be concluded from the experiment that you have done? Please fulfill the conclusion in the column. Okay, student, we in the last lesson today. This is time for homework. I have any question, number 1 until number 9. Please answer this question. It's for homework. And I give you this homework and I hope next week you can presentation in front of the class about the result of your discussion and your homework. Okay, thank you. I think today enough. Thank you for your nice attention. I hope you all stay happy, stay healthy, and don't forget to do your homework and to do your worksheet. Okay, thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.